Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Today we're going to talk about NFC tags and how these little guys can make your life so much easier. So a real quick explanation of what NFC is. It stands for Near Field Communication. And it's a new technology that allows your device to communicate with these little tags and tags like these and transfer information back and forth. I got these tags on Amazon for, I think it was like 15 bucks. There's a pack of 20 here. And these are rewritable, so we can use these as many times as we want. This type is a sticker, and you can peel it off and attach it to anything you want. You can also write a label on there, but this is just one style. There's tons of different types of tags out there. You can get round ones like these, they're square, there's colored, you can get some with labels printed on them, you can get them in form of a keychain. I mean, there's really just a ton of different styles, whatever you need. But what we're gonna use this little tag for is to change the communication profile of our device. Turn on Bluetooth and turn off Wi-Fi. So to do that, we're going to use this application here. It's called Any Tag Nfc Launcher. So we have a very simple, easy to use interface. There's basically two sections here. The first section is a general tag reader. If you're ever out and about and you see an NFC tag somewhere, you can use this to read it and find out what kind of information's on it. The second section is for configuring your own tags. So that's what we're going to do here today. So very simple way to use this. The NFC is turned on my phone. All we have to do is touch the tag. It reads it, asks if we want to configure it. We say okay. First thing we have to do is label it. And we can call this Bluetooth. All right. Now we need to add a task. So we hit the plus button up here and we get several categories of tasks. Communication, capture image, intent, sound display, and media. Communication is where the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are, so we're going to click on that one. It drops down further menus here. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, things like that. So the first thing we want to do is turn on Bluetooth whenever we touch the tag. But I also want to, if Bluetooth is on, if I touch the tag, it turns it off. So I'm going to hit the toggle and it adds it to the list here. So now I have my tasks for this tag and we're basically done. I can get out of here. Now you'll see right now my Wi-Fi is turned on and Bluetooth is not turned on. So all I do is touch my tag. I get a little prompt saying that Wi-Fi has been turned off and Bluetooth has been turned on. And yes, you can see that up there that it has. Now, whenever I'm done with Bluetooth, want to turn my Wi-Fi back on, all I have to do, touch that tag and switches right back. Now, a perfect example of a situation where this is useful. My wife uses the Bluetooth hands-free calling system inside her car. And it's great. She can make and receive calls without even touching her device, and it's awesome. But she tends to leave her Bluetooth on all the time, and Bluetooth on all the time is a big battery drain. So she ends up having to recharge her battery much more often. So with this though, she can program her phone using one of these tags. Somewhere in her car, she can stick this tag, maybe on the dash or somewhere inconspicuous out of the way. Whenever she gets into the car, just touches her phone to it, it turns the Bluetooth on, turns the Wi-Fi off. You can set it for a ton of different things. It could lower the ringer volume, it could lower the brightness of the screen, you could launch applications, all sorts of different things. And then whenever she gets to her destination, touches it again, turns the Bluetooth off, turns the Wi-Fi back on, or whatever other tasks she has set. Easy. So there you go, guys. Real quick look at NFC tags and this particular NFC launching application. There's tons of applications in the Play Store. Of course, I'll put a link to this one and put a link to where you can find NFC tags. Now, thanks for watching, guys. This is Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Don't forget to check us out. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and I'll see you next time.